This is a very similar building to the touchscreen elevators we just filmed. Unfortunately, this is just TR. But let's not judge a book by its... Never mind.
The book has been judged and it's
not as...
the same. Okay, sometimes you can judge a book by its cover.
This doesn't have a good... Oh, Dover.
What?
Dover.
Where?
Door check. All right. Shh. If there's no desk in here, we could try to get the other one.
No.
Okay, there is a desk, but it's through a door. I guess that's the only indicators.
Curse you. Curse your kind. Die.
This one has the same motor.
Elevator smoke.
L.
Nearly identical. Okay.
Yeah, it's got Dover door truck, so these were like Impulse or something. Probably Impulse.
Very impulsive. I don't know where I was going with that.
Cabs itself, similar to some other buildings we've been into.
I think it's identical to another one.
Yeah. Just a different shaped cab. And there it goes, maybe. And that's it.